Do you want to sound natural and polite? Using the word appropriate can help you choose the right words or actions for different situations. Appropriate means something is suitable or right for a particular situation or purpose. It means proper or fitting. Many learners confuse appropriate with similar words like polite or correct. Appropriate focuses on what fits a situation, not just politeness or being factually correct. Common phrases include be appropriate for, appropriate to, appropriate behavior, and appropriate response. You can also say something is not appropriate in a specific place or time. It is appropriate to dress formally for a job interview. Her comments were appropriate for the meeting. This gift is not appropriate for a birthday. The library is an appropriate place to study quietly. Anna wore a bright party outfit to a serious meeting. Her boss said it was not appropriate. From then on, Anna learned to choose clothes appropriate for each event. Think of appropriate as a pro-party where everything is perfect and fits just right. If it's appropriate, it's the right fit for the situation. Remember, appropriate means fitting or suitable. Try using it today and see how it changes your English.